What is called as a liberalization? Freedom from direct or physical control imposed by the government. What is liberalization? Freedom from the direct or the physical control imposed by the government. Okay, in this place, what type of economic reforms we have done under the liberalization? So, what type of economic reforms we have done under the liberalization? First of all, in the industrial sector, we made some sort of the reforms. What type of reforms? First one is the abolition of industrial licensing. First one is the abolition of the industrial licensing. Second one is the de-reservation of the production areas. The third one, expansion of the production capacity we made under the economic reforms, liberalization. The fourth one is the freedom to import goods. So these four changes we made under the liberalization under the industrial sector. First one is the abolition of the industrial licensing, de-reservation of the production areas, expansion of the production capacity. The last one under the industrial sector reforms is nothing but the freedom to import goods. Okay. Come to the financial sector. What type of reforms we made under the liberalization? Before that, the RBI was only a regulator of the financial system of our country. But after the liberalizational reforms, the RBI became the facilitator of the financial sector. That was the major change we have done in the LPG scheme. So next one is in the fiscal reforms. Fiscal means finance, study about the finance. In the fiscal reforms, what type of changes we made? Fiscal reforms relate to what is called as a fiscal reforms. It relates to the revenue and expenditure of the government. That means budget. So tax reforms relate to revenue and expenditure of the government. So tax reforms are the principal component of the fiscal reforms. So broadly we can divide the taxes into two ways. One is direct, other one is the indirect taxes. In that way, we made some sort of the reforms in the fiscal policy of the government. So next one is the next letter is the P. L, liberalization. P means privatization. What is called as a privatization? A general process of involving the private sector in the ownership or operation of a state-owned enterprises. What is the next one is the privatization. So what is called as a privatization? So privatization is the general process of involving the private sector in the ownership or operation of a state-owned enterprise. Okay, in this thing what changes we made? Disinvestment policy. Disinvestment policy we made under privatization. What is called as a disinvestment? It's a situation when governments sell off a part of its share capital of public sector undertakings to the private investors. That means selling off the shares to the from the public to the private sector. In that way we made in the privatization reforms. So next one is the globalization. What is called as a globalization? Globalization is a process. What is called as a globalization? Is a process associated with the increasing openness, growing economic interdependence and deepening economic integration in the world economy. What is called as a globalization? That means deepening the economic integration in the world economy. So what are the policy strategies promoting globalization on the Indian economy? First one is the increasing the equity limit of the foreign investment. Second one is the partial convertibility. The third one is the long-term trade policy. Fourth one is the reduction in tariffs. Tariff means taxation for the imports. The last one is the withdrawal of the quantitative restrictions. Under which head, that is organization or the institution